Good morning aspirants, welcome to Prince Civil Services. As we have started the cartography series, so in this video we are going to talk about the western side mountain ranges of Pamir Node. As we have started the previous video, we have already covered the eastern mountains of Pamir Node. So let's talk about the western side of Pamir Node. This is the Pamir Node and we have covered the eastern side mountains. So we are talking about the eastern side mountain ranges. I have already filled all the mountain ranges. So to avoid the long length of this video, so let's fill one by one all these mountain ranges. This is the Pamir Node. Let's mention the definition of note, which I have already covered in which I told you in last video. The first mountain range which start in the western side is Hindu Kush. This is the mountain range. Its name is Hindu Kush. This same Hindu Kush range in the Iran is known as El Bruj mountain. Elbrus mountain range, and when it extends to Turkey, this Elbrus range goes till there is another note called Armenian note. This is the another note called Armenian note, and from the Armenian note it goes to the far eastern region, and here it is known as Pontin. In the Turkey country it's known as Pontin. Right. So these are the three ranges which moves in the northern direction of the western side of Pamir Node: Hindu Kush, Elbrus, and Pontin. So let's talk about them. The first range is Hindu Kush. In this Hindu Kush range, there is a gap or pass which is known as this. Somewhere this mountain range is broken and it's known as Khyber Pass. India's destiny was decided by this pass, as all the Islamic invaders who invade in India come from this pass. Basically, a mountain range of almost 40 kilometers is absent here, so they crosses this mountain range and enter to India. And the highest peak of this region is situated here. Its name is Tirichmir. Tirichmir is the highest mountain range of Pakistan. As Pakistan says, our mountain range, highest mountain range is Mount K2, but it's part of POK, and we still consider it's our part. So we talk about it. The Tirichmir is the highest peak of Pakistan that is in Hindu Kush range, and the another attribute of it is the Khyber Pass, which is situated there, and it was the route of Islamic invaders from Mahmud Ghazni till Babur, right? And the another range is Elbrus. The same Hindu Kush in the Iran is known as Hindu Kush range. In this Hindu Kush range, the highest peak is Deoband. This is the highest peak of Elbrus mountain, which is situated in Iran. After that, the Pontin range, and this Pontin was currently in use because above the Pontin range, Mediterranean Sea is situated, and Turkey has found a reservoir or a reservoir of natural gas resources, and it's planned to extract it, right? And in the southern portion, there is another range called Taurus Mountain. Taurus mountain range, right? And from moving to eastern side, the another mountain range is in the southern portion of Iran, Iraq, and Syria. This is Zagros, right? And this Zagros started from the Hormuz Strait. This is the Hormuz Strait, and its country is UAE, and this is Oman. So this Hormuz Strait of the Arab Peninsula, and Zagros started from here. Moving further, let's talk about the mountain range which are situated in Pakistan. It is Potwar Plateau. This green color dot is Potwar Plateau in Pakistan, and the range I have mentioned here is the Salt Range. And after that there is a long mountain range. This is Suleiman mountain range, and the southern portion of the Suleiman mountain range is Kirthar mountain range. And after the Kirthar mountain range and between the Zagros mountain, there are three parallel ranges, just like Himalaya. As the Himalaya is having three parallel ranges of Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and the Sivalik, this mountain range is Makran range. Let me mention the name. Makran range. And another portion of Makran range is known as Siahan Makran. And the second is central, and the southern is coastal. So you can remember the three names of this Makran range. It's in the three parallel ranges, the Siahan, central, and coastal, and Karachi is situated there. It's continued till it's extended into the Pakistan and Iran till the Strait of Hormuz. And there is another mountain range of Pakistan which were in use for their nuclear programs. This range is the Chagai. This is the Chagai range, and the Pakistan Nuclear Testing Center RASCO is situated there. As India is having Pokhran, in the same way Pakistan is having RASCO, and it is in the Chagai range. So these all are the mountain ranges situated in the western side of Pamir Note. As we have covered the eastern sides, this is the complete map of the mountain ranges which are situated from the Pamir Note to eastern and western direction. Let me tell you another thing. The middle portion between the Pontine and Taurus, this is known as Asia Minor. Right? And again, the middle part between the Taurus mountain and the Elbrus, this is Iran Plateau. This is Iran Plateau, and it is part of many deserts. This is the complete map. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it might be useful for your preparation. So thank you.